Hi, this is Dhwani's Dadi, and Dhwani is a little bit fussy about eating certain things like paneer, cashews, nuts, etc. separately. So we try to give it in some of the other manner. So I made nutritious dosa for her, and these are the 10 ingredients. So this is pulses, we soak it overnight and grind it in the morning, and you can use it for 3-4 times. And this is to be kept in the fridge. And then this is dosa batter, so you can make it at home, or maybe you can get it from the market. But this is to be only half a serving spoon. And then we have these cashews and almonds. You can soak it at night in case you are going to make it in the morning. So in case you are going to give it to the child in the evening, then you have to soak it in the morning, because otherwise cashews, they start smelling. So and then I do it in this, and I grind it in this, and it comes in this form. And then paneer, you have to bring it to this shape, so that this is comes in a liquefied manner. And then you have to put a little bit of water also. So I use these 2 spoons when it is grinded, then 2 teaspoons of dal, and then 1 cube of paneer, and 2 cashews and 2 almonds, or maybe 1 big cashew and 1 almond also, and then this batter, and I mix them all. And then you have to put 3-4 spoons of water also, otherwise it becomes thicker. And then 2 pinches of salt and 1 pinch of pepper, and then you have to mix it together. Now put all the ingredients in this, and it comes, the consistency is in this manner. So now we can put it in the pan to make a finally dosa. So now it's about to ready. You have to make sure that it is cooked properly. So they just enjoy like this only. It's almost getting ready now. So we put some butter on it. Makes more tastier. Just like this, it comes in this shape. And then you have to turn it like that. Now our dosa is ready. It's ready to eat. And in the last but not the least, eat healthy and stay fit.